we have to see the importance of the food sovereignty of different countries and to organize such type of food supply chains which highlight the relative independence of various countries on the global arena, because we could see that however the international food supply chain has been worked relatively well, but this situation has highlighted the importance of vulnerability of this system. That's why the policymakers and the academic world has to think in these two directions. One direction is the better coordination between the different parts of international supply chain, and on the other hand, the improvement of the national local food supply chain system based on local possibilities of production and consumption, and this highlights the importance of so-called short supply system state. And according to our calculation, the economic losses caused by inadequate nutrition patterns is nowadays 5% of the GDP, and this will be increasing further in next half century. That's why all these questions should be treated in an integrated way and to harmonize the global supply and food demand. And this is a long-range question which is demanding the application of latest methods of network analysis, system analysis, automatization, robotization, artificial intelligence. We have to integrate all aspects of our human knowledge which could help to solve such strategic questions like the food security and the safe supply of the mankind by food.